Join the private sector energy efficiency movement led by the National Business Initiative by plugging into energy efficiency and stem the tide of rising energy costs.
So what you need to understand before we go into that is the difference between power and energy. Okay, lots of people get confused with this concept. When you get charged for power, maximum demand is the maximum power that you get charged for, and energy is the kilowatt hours that you get charged. Basically, what power is? Power is how fast you actually do work. Okay, and energy is the actual work. So, for example, the easy way I used to explain it: if you take two cars, for example, like a Mercedes-Benz and a Toyota Tazz, for example. If I drive from Johannesburg to Cape Town, the Mercedes-Benz will get there faster, isn't it? Because why does the Mercedes-Benz get there faster? Basically, it's the ability to convert the petrol into motion much quicker than what the Toyota Tazz. So it's got a bigger engine, it's more powerful. So power is how fast you convert that fuel into actual motion. Okay, so power is the rate at which you do work. Okay, so energy is always measured in kilowatt hours because it's a function of time. Because I run the motor. So it's a light bulb. So even a light bulb, if I've got a 40-watt light bulb, and if I burn it for 2 hours, it's still 40 watts. Doesn't change. The power of that bulb doesn't change. You go buy a bulb in the shop at 60 watts. It's still 60 watts. Whether you have it for 10 hours, you run it, you keep it on, or you keep it on for 1 hour, it's still 60 watts, isn't it? But the energy used, if I switch this light on for 2 hours, it's using 80 watt hours. Okay, if I switch it on for 10 hours, it's 400 watt hours. Can you see the difference between power and energy? Okay. So you get in the power system, in the utility, in the bills, you get charged for both of these things. You get charged for the power and for the energy.